I've been HLB Mann Judd for over 21 years now. I think that's an excuse for a party, isn't it? I worked with a HLB firm in Glasgow before I came out here on secondment over 21 years ago, and I really enjoyed the culture in Glasgow. And when I got the opportunity to come to Australia, I found the culture was very similar and I enjoyed it thoroughly, so much so that I'm still here. I love the diverse group of people we have here. I learned a long time ago that it's best to let people work to their strengths and show them what they're capable of. I think the clients benefit greatly from that, and the staff benefit as well. We teach them the core skills of being an auditor, and then they use their strengths, each individual, to take those to the client and help our clients. I work in the audit advisory department here at HLB Mann Judd. That involves doing statutory audits, reviews, and other agreed upon procedures. For example, a client one time wanted us just to look at their revenue cycle and their accounts receivable, so we did audit procedures on that and gave them a lot of suggestions of where they can improve. We also do a lot of consulting in the not-for-profit space, but that's looking at legislation they have to comply with, including the charitable fundraising acts and regulations in all the various states and territories. A few years ago, I had a client who was wanting to buy another business. Now, this business had never been audited before, so our client approached us to do some audit work on that business. Now, we don't just look at an audit as a statutory audit and do it and then walk away. We look at it as where we can add value to the client. By doing this audit on the other company's business, we identified some issues that we brought back to the client and its lawyers, and they then negotiated a reduced price that actually saved our client over $500,000. Over the last 10 or so years, I've seen many changes. One of the biggest ones and obvious ones is technology, because that impacts everyone these days. The way we do audits now is different than the way we did audits 10 years ago, and it's different than the way we're going to be doing audits in 10 years' time. We're using a lot more data and software in the way we do audits. That means we can analyse information and do more efficient audit work, but also identify trends to our clients that they might not be aware of or might be of interest to them. I see us as part of the client's team. We work together to try and achieve the same outcome, and to do that as part of a team, that gets such a better outcome than if we work individually. We also like to celebrate our successes with the clients. If that means going out for lunch, going out for dinner, catch-ups throughout the year. It's wonderful to reward the staff for the work they've done, and also to catch up with the client to find out the feedback, that what they thought we did well, and also how we can improve in future.